How YouTube TV works on Xfinity. You can enjoy YouTube TV on Xfinity Flex, giving you access to live TV and on-demand content. Follow these steps to set up and start watching. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Ensure you have an Xfinity Flex streaming device. Note: YouTube TV is not available on Xfinity X1. Step 2. Launch YouTube TV on Xfinity Flex. Option 1. Use the voice remote. Press the microphone button on your Xfinity remote. Say YouTube TV to open the app. Option 2. Use the app's menu. Press the Xfinity button on your remote. Navigate to Apps and locate YouTube TV. Select the app to launch it. Step 3. Sign into YouTube TV. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Click Sign In, or try it free if you're a new user. Enter your Google account credentials to log in. Step 4. Start watching. Browse live TV channels, on-demand shows, and movies. Use the search bar to find specific content. Access your library to watch recorded content. Step 5. Manage subscription and billing. Separate subscription. A YouTube TV subscription is required and is not included in your Xfinity plan. Billing method. YouTube TV charges directly through Google, not Xfinity. Step 6. Monitor data usage. Streaming YouTube TV contributes to your Xfinity internet data usage. Check your data plan to avoid additional charges. Conclusion: YouTube TV on Xfinity Flex is a convenient way to access live and on-demand content. Make sure your device is compatible and manage your subscription and data usage for an uninterrupted viewing experience.